To Reggaefrank 9, I have a spicy food review. This is Blair's Death Rain Cheddar Kettle Cooked Potato Chips. It's got a medium heat, it says on it. I love Blair's so far. Their chips have been pretty tasty. I still have to get some of their hot sauces, but the chips so far I've been liking. Anyways, 2-ounce bag. I paid $2.50 for it. Let's see here. Ingredients: select potatoes, corn oil, and sunflower oil. Whey, salt, cheddar cheese powder. It's got buttermilk, shortening powder, corn syrup, soy protein isolate, onion and garlic powder, sour cream powder, non-fat milk, citric acid, a bunch of just random stuff, and the very last ingredient is habanero. So they spice it up with some habanero, but since it's the last ingredient, it's gonna probably make it, you know, more of a low heat. Still pretty decent. Very crunchy. That cheddar taste is good. Wow. It's very good. Man, that cheddar is killer, man. You get a little bit of spice. Nothing outrageous. But it's there. I'd give it a low 1 out of 5. And on flavor, these are going to get a 5, man. These cheddar. Man. The cheddar is really strong on this. It's really tasty. Anyways, you can check them out at extremefood.com, and that's what it looks like. Alright, until next time, keep it spicy.